All right, let's get it. So, uh, this is the Bollinger Momentum Trading 100% plus movers. This playlist showcases the trades that doubled, the setups that ran 100% or more from entry to exit. Each episode breaks down the exact logic behind these high velocity moves, how I identified the consolidation, confirmed volume, selected the strike, and manage the trade through momentum burst. If you want to learn how explosive setups form and how to ride them with discipline, this is where you'll find the blueprint. These are the trades that define consistency and conviction, the ones that show what happens when preparation meets opportunity. If you find value here, drop a comment with your biggest 100% mover, like the video, and share it with someone refining their trade execution. Then jump into the next episode to see how the next breakout unfolded. All right, let's get into it. Turn the volume up. All right, hopefully that's good enough. There. All right. So right now it is 11:30 in Houston, 12:30 New York time. These are the only four tickers that I look at in the morning. QQQ is the NASDAQ 100. SPY is the SPX 500 or SP 500. DIA is the US 30 or Dow Jones. And IWM is the Russell 2000. Looking at the market is in a downtrend here on all of these charts. And then right here in the pre-market or overnight session pre-market, right before the open, we're looking at price above the Bollinger Bands. And so on each of these, price is above the Bollinger Bands. However, on IWM, you have the tightest consolidation range. So that's the trade that I'll be taking. We jump over here. The strike price that I selected was 277 at the time of entry. This was the strike price that was closest to a 30 delta, right? It hit a high of $3. Okay. And for the trade, when I entered two contracts. So if we look here, we got one contract was entered at 8:59, right at 9 o'clock. Uh, and then the second contract was entered at 9:15, 43 cents. So price went into drawdown. And then I took an exit at 9:23. So not long after, that's what, 8 minutes exit. All right. So just to show you here, 50 plus 43, 50 plus 43 is 93 divided by 2 is 46 and a half. Okay. So come over here. 46 and a half was the entry, hit a high of $3. If I had held this contract all the way or held this trade all the way to the high, uh, it would have gained $2.54 for a profit of 545% or $507 profit. I did not hold till $5. I exited the trade at $1.34. So um, then what I do is I screenshot everything, put it over in my Discord, and as you can see, the entry at 8:59, price went into drawdown at 9:02, which was 3 minutes, right? It went immediately in the drawdown and then came back. I entered this second trade as a scaling opportunity. It immediately went into profit 1 minute later, more than 50%. And then I exited at 9:23, which is 8 minutes later. Um, this is just showing that 277 call, a high of $3. And like I say, I added to my watch list so that I can follow along with it after I exit the trade. Once I exit the trade, then I can always go back and monitor and look at it and take screenshots and everything. But this is the profit on the day. For me, 188% gain. The trade was actually at $1.34, $1.44 when I was looking to exit. I placed a limit order and they gave me $1.34 instead of $1.44. So I should have taken a market exit instead of a limit exit, and I would have got over 200% on this trade for the day. Uh, Again, if you find value here, drop a comment with your biggest 100% gainers, like the video, and share it with someone refining their trade execution. Then jump into the next episode and see how the next breakout unfolded. All right, guys. Hey, thank you again for joining, and I will see you on the other side. Peace.